Hello, all. Welcome to my channel. So, the title is Unlock Your Earning Potential with Fusion 360. Make money as a designer, as an entrepreneur, right? Is what we will be discussing in this particular video. So, what is Fusion? Right, we are talking that you can earn money with Fusion 360. So, what exactly is it? I never heard it before, right? What I can do with it? How I need to learn, right? Is it easy, hard? All these questions will be answered in this particular video, right? So first, let me tell you, Fusion 360 is a software. It's a versatile software. Why it is called as a versatile is, right, it is having a number of options with different features in it, right? It combines design, engineering, and manufacturing. So by looking at these three terms, don't think that this is belonging to an engineering part, right? Based on your practice, right, you can be an expert even without having a clue of what exactly is it. So the only thing is you must know what commands you need to use. Commands is not the text commands, it is just by clicking the command, right? So a few doubts will be there here, like people will be saying, I'm not aware about it, I'm not good at computer, or I'm not an engineer, or for whom this is applicable. All these sort of questions will be coming up. But the only thing I will say here is it is applicable for each and everyone who are interested to learn new technology and also want to explore their creative minds, right? For them, this particular course will be an absolutely stunning course for them. Whatever it is there in their mind, they can see digitally on the screen, and that is what the beauty with this particular software. To the next step, what things we can design with this software? Cannot show all the things which can be done with this, but I just want to show some basic. I mean, like, I just design a line. I mean, like, how easy it is. I just want to explain that. So making that, I just want to show here a video here which is already pre-recorded. Don't think that I have done that much faster. I just made the video faster, that's it. So now look at this particular video. So what happened is I drawn a line. I'm just doing we call that as offset. So I'm just revolving that line for 360. So what happened, I obtained a particular picture. Now I just slightly changed the shape of it, then other shape came up. So like that, whichever the way you are rotating, you are obtaining a new object. And for this, do you need any skill? No need for anything. So I want to draw a tumbler, for instance. So I just drawn a line and I just done like this and revolve it. You got the tumbler there. So like this, and even some complex shapes. Complex shapes, I can't show the complex shapes straight away in one video, but this particular video, what you are having is I just want to make a ball on the top of it. So normally doing that is not that much easy. So with the help of this particular software, we can do just like seconds. So all these things we can do very easily and effectively with this particular software. Right. Moving ahead, who all, I think this particular slide we already come across. Who can learn this particular course? Anyone interested in innovation, anyone is passionate about making the things or bringing the new ideas into the world, those people, this particular course is an absolutely stunning course, right? Anyone can learn. But you may ask that, okay, you were saying that we can earn money, right? How? Right? And that is where our next slide comes into picture. So how we can earn money with Fusion 360? As this is a 3D modeling, right? The name, actually this particular software will fall under the category of 3D modeling. So what is this is, you can create the components, right? Any product in this universe start with the design, right? It not starts with the design, but in fact it starts with an idea. This particular idea, which it needs to come into reality with the help of a particular software, a design software, or maybe a sketch. Not all the people are artistic or they can able to draw the pictures what they're in the mind. But softwares like this definitely will bring a good exposure to the people who can explore or who can just enrich their ideas into a particular domain. So with the help of this, right, you can start doing freelancing. Or freelancing is like we have freelancing sites are there, right? Fiverr or Upwork or anything. So people will be posting there that they need a 3D model for it. So you can quote and get the design part there. If not, actually you can design components based on the requirements. See, for instance, how I can say, like, I want to have a coffee cup, right, for my kid. Though I mean, like, for playing purpose, normally if you go to a market, we'll be getting like kits, but instead of that, you can print your daughter or son name on the top of cup and make them play, right? These sort of innovation ideas you can bring it. So where you can print that particular component and give it to your kids, whichever the way you want, you can do it. And also you can run the online course. Along with that, right, you can design some of the like extensive diagrams. See, for instance, in nowadays the technology is advancing and many of the products coming with different variations. So for instance, if I take what I can say, the extension box, which I can say, recently I come across a design in such a way that it is not having a rectangle shape, but in fact it is having uh, like a rotational part. So one socket it will be rotated to that direction, and the another can be done this direction. So this is a real innovation, right? We are focusing on real problems, and we are giving a perfect solution with the design. So that design you can upload in content creation softwares like GrabCAD is there, 3D CAD is there, plenty of websites are there where you can sell your 3D models there. And also for companies especially, right, they need to license their components. See, most of the companies will be going for patenting part, right? Industrial patents actually. So what happens there is they come up with a solution to a particular problem where whole world is facing it. So to that, actually this particular product license will be very helpful, right, in order to grab that as their own, right? That means they will be designing that component and they will be licensing that particular component on to that particular company. So this is called as product license, which you can do, right, if you have a good contacts with the companies. Followed with it, patenting, design patent is another area. So even we do, I mean, like, if you are really interested in design patents, right, whether you are a school student or if you are a graduate or if you are anyone, right, who are really interested in design, I mean, patenting, right, please contact me so that I will help you out, right, in filing the design patent, right? If you have idea, I will design it for you and I will file it for you with the best price, right, in the market. So we can do the design patents as well, and also blogging, right? You can write a blog and you can earn with the help of blogging. And also design consultancy you can start, and different people will be approaching to us and asking for different parameters. You can start the design consultancy, and you can also create design templates, right? A lot of stuff is there. And also the future advanced thing which I'm telling right now is, you can make a note, after 2 or 3 years you will be learning that AR and VR, that is augmented reality and virtual reality, is booming like anything. And in order to explain the real world problems, right, you need some 3D models, and those 3D models which you can able to draw with the help of Fusion 360. So all together you have enormous directions of making money, right? I can guarantee that you can grab it. The only way is you must have a patience, and you must dedicatedly practice on it so that you can make money. So you may ask at this particular point, right now, what are the extent you covered, because you are just explaining to us, right, in what way you are doing it. So I already started a design consultancy, right? I work for 2 or 3 companies, right, and we are designing for it, and also we 3D printed the components and we sold it, and also design patents. I do have Indian Book of Records, right, for filing 20 design patents in a single day. So you can observe, right, we are doing good in this particular area. So you can approach us for better aspects in this particular direction. Right, next. So the finally coming to an end. So thank you for watching. And you may ask at this particular point now how I need to learn this particular course. Right, please subscribe to my channel here, subscribe, and I will be leaving each and every video from starting from scratch. So the first video which I will be making is not with the Fusion 360 in the coming video. What I will make it with is I will design a layperson also can understand what is isometric view and orthograph view, right? I will be giving with the good examples. That is what our next video will be on. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Thank you all.